Have you seen the news lately? There's a bit of a car theft epidemic happening, which normally involve the factory keys. Whether they're stealing the key itself by breaking into your home or using high-tech equipment to mirror the key, there's a lot of brand new cars getting stolen. Well, luckily we have the solution for you. My name's Jarrod Shelley and I'll be hosting today's episode of Integrated Solutions. Here at Autofidelity, we don't like to come second. That's why we are proud to announce we are the first people in Australia to retrofit one of these revolutionary immobilisation systems. Let's take a closer look at how they work. So when we start the vehicle, the engine will actually start and give the impression everything's okay, but as soon as we put the vehicle into gear, it shuts off the motor. And so no matter how many times we try and start it, it won't start. Even though we have the factory key, we still can't start the car, preventing them from being able to steal your car even with the key. Now, when you drive the vehicle, you start the car in the morning, you put your PIN code in, which for this example we've done 4 downshifts. We see the handbrake light flash on dash, which means that the car is now ready to drive. The system is also fitted with an anti-hijacking feature, which is triggered by the driver's door opening without your foot on the brake.
Sucker! Safety first. Alright. Nice new AMG. This will sell for a bit. Nice clean getaway.
No Koreans were injured in the filming of this movie.